Today I'm gonna take you to 3 spots that are doing the burgers right. And not to mention, they're all about this big. Let's roll. All right, what do we start with, brother?
All right, we're gonna start with our ground beef here. We're gonna knock out our primetime burger. It's our signature burger over here.
So what kind of meat we got here? Is this like a special blend for primetime?
We got a little blend. It's top sirloin, top round, and short rib.
All right, so we're trying to get that good char on it.
We wanna get that good char. Now that we've got nice medium well for this guy over here, we're gonna finish it on the flat grill. We're gonna throw a little cheddar provolone here.
All right, so it's cheddar and are you going with 4 pieces?
We're gonna go with 4 pieces. This is our signature burger, so we can't go, we gotta go big time on here. So we're gonna just cover this up real quick, give it a little quick little melt.
4 pieces of bacon, an egg, 2 7-ounce patties. Is that it?
Lettuce, tomato, onion. Then we got a little topping at the very end. We're gonna show you guys over here.
Special stuff.
Very special.
All right.
We got our cheese nice and melted on there.
I like that. Looks good as hell.
Nice and melted on there. So we're gonna start plating this up here. There's 1. There's 2. We're gonna top it off.
That goes on top of it?
Top of the bun right here.
Oh my
goodness. Finish it off. We get our toothpick here.
Oh, you got the extra long one?
You have to get the extra long ones for
here. So these are the regular ones?
These are the regular ones. Those are for the burger sliders.
Holy smokes.
There we go.
Woo! All right, so this thing is an awesome burger. Look at the size of this thing. This is the 2nd biggest burger that we had today. Awesome beef. You can definitely taste that short rib in there. I love that they have their own concoction of beef. Obviously, anytime you have egg and bacon on top of a burger, it's gonna be the bomb. And then that big fat roll really does hold it all together well. And I gotta say, I know I said backyard fries I love, but these are awesome too. These are like the Sidewinder fries. Many compliments to the chef on those. Those are the bomb too. This is a really good burger. If you order this though, make sure you're starving because this thing is absolutely enormous. All right, here we go. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna bite this sucker first. Oh my. All right, look at the size of this. Here we go. Good job. Gotta try it. All right, what do we start with, man?
BG burger.
All right, we're making the BYG burger. All right, what's in that seasoning? Little onion salt, little what, paprika?
Paprika.
A little something else? All right, a little oil, a little more seasoning. I like that, man.
Right.
So, is this a special blend just for backyard?
Yes.
So this is the same one you guys have been using for what, 23 years?
26.
26 years. Oh, let me see that roll. These are awesome. These big brioche rolls. I love these. All right, so the burger's almost ready.
Almost ready.
All right, what are we throwing on this thing?
Salt the onions, make it fresh every day.
Oh, those look awesome, dude. All right, so we're using a white American.
A white American cheese.
Oh, good. 2 slices.
2 slices. My bread ready.
I hate when on a big burger when they only put 1 slice. You like bite into it, you can't taste the cheese, so much meat on it. Oh, the secret sauce. And that's what the BYG sauce, right? Guys, check this out. This seasoning right here is the best. This is the best fry seasoning in the DC Metro, I'm telling you. I wouldn't say it if it wasn't true. This stuff is bomb. And when you come, get extra seasoning. For sure. This show's not even about fries. You guys have to see it. Can you put a little more seasoning on that for me?
You want extra seasoning?
Oh, yeah, of course. Oh yeah, thank you. All right, so that burger's good to go?
Yes.
All right, this thing is awesome. Look how big this thing is. All right, here we go. Take that out so I don't choke. All right, guys, this is an awesome burger. Check out the inside of this bad boy. The bacon, the sauteed onions, the special sauce all works perfectly on it. I love the fact that they use the white American. I love that on burgers. Awesome brioche bun that really holds it together well. And then the bacon, I mean, you can't sleep on the bacon. Anything that got bacon on it's awesome. This is a really, really good burger. And once again, don't forget the fries when you come here. They have the best seasoned fries in the whole area. Really good stuff. All right, we're making the BRONX Bomber Burger.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's do it, brother.
All right.
So what kind of seasoning we going with? A little salt and pepper?
No, salt and pepper, yeah.
That's it, just salt and pepper.
Just salt and pepper.
Perfect, man. Is that, what is it, 1.5 pounds?
2 pounds. Yeah.
It's 2 pounds?
Mm-hmm. It is a 2-pound burger.
A 2-pound burger. Big old patties.
Yep.
How many slices of cheese?
On 6.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm just gonna give it a little flip. You know.
All right, so what kind of roll are we gonna use today?
It just a
It's
normal.
a big sesame.
Yep.
All right, it's got some chew, a little bit of power.
And then
If
so
not,
just,
it would just fall apart.
yeah, we're just gonna put a little bit of butter on it.
Little butter, toast it up a little bit.
And toast it up a little bit. See, this is what I'm getting to right here. Is that crust right here?
Okay.
The
You want a
crispiness?
little crust?
Yes.
Little crust on the
So
bun.
we're gonna go ahead and put the cheese on
Okay,
right
is
now.
this just American?
Yes, just straight American cheese. Now we're just gonna start stacking it
Just
up.
start stacking them.
Stacking them, man.
Holy schmoly.
Yep. Give it a little steam.
Oh my gosh.
Now there you have it.
This is 2 pounds of high quality beef. Now, honestly, this is the biggest sandwich of the day, the biggest burger we've done. I've actually eaten this 2 times all by myself. This is a really, really good burger. Fresh beef, 6 slices of cheese, excuse me. So it's got 6 patties, 6 slices of cheese. It's just a monster. It's just your basic burger. And it's surprising that a place like Manhattan Pizza with 15 locations, you don't expect a pizza joint to actually have burgers like this. And it's really cool that they do. You have to come try this thing. Now I'm gonna give it a bite. Here we go. If I can get my hands wrapped around it. Freaking gigantic. All right, this is the kind of thing you gotta eat with like a fork and knife, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Let me get a bite right here. It really is delicious, yo, I promise. Good stuff.